Hi, to manage Google passwords on your Poco F6, as a first step, find and open the Google Chrome. And here in this upper panel, tap on the three dots and go in the settings. And now, simply scroll till you can see this tab Google Password Manager. Go in here, and in this Passwords tab, you'll see all of your saved passwords. As you can see, I got no passwords here, but in your case, you would see the option to edit them, to copy, to save, and you can remove some of the passwords. You can also just switch to settings here and enable those options offered to save passwords, auto sign in. You can export passwords, import them, add shortcut to your home screen, and here check your declined sites and apps. And in this upper right corner, you can check your profile, so you can switch between accounts, you can remove accounts here and manage them. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.